Hello viewers, welcome from my YouTube channel Graphics. In my earlier video, I have shown you how to upload data from external file using tools into Oracle database. If you not shown today, today I will show how to upload data into database table using SQL loader from command line. I have already created a table to upload data. And here is the table name shown and the existing data. At first I delete the data. First I will delete the data from the table. Just deleted, format, recheck. There is no data returned. To upload data using SQL loader, we need three prerequisite files. First one is data file, the second one is control file, and the last one is the parameter file. Data file means the which data we will upload into the table. This data is containing in this file. I have already created a test data for upload. This is the test data. I will going to upload into the table. And the second one is the control file. Here is the control file. In control file, this is the instruction what will be done, what will be do, what will to do. Here the instruction is load data into table from which table. This means the MP data upload table. Load data means what to do. It is the instruction to insert, and the third line is fields terminated by comma means is data is separated by comma for each field, and this is the field list: emp id, emp name, immobile, dob. And third one is the parameter file. In this parameter file, this is the parameter described here: user id equal to which is schema and password and database service name. Control means control file. Log and bed file is optional. Data parameter means the which file to upload. Direct is the for path. Open the cmd and change the directory to control file path. Here is the data file. data upload parameter file and data upload data dot control. Run the command SQL LOADER and specify the per file equal to parameter file name data change was successfully loaded. Let's check. Uh, the change was uploaded successfully. That's all. Thanks for watching.